ATCP is a place to connect with industry leaders, explore cutting-edge technologies, and gain insights that shape the future of energy. I will encourage students and young professionals to attend ATCE, being that for someone who is unsure about attending, for the student, they should consider the career benefits. For example, when I was a student, attending ATCE really helped me improve my confidence in what I've learned and how I can apply that in the industry. Two, also looking for learning from experts, because ATCE, there are a lot of field workshops, there are a lot of technical sessions. You can leverage on that and get your mentor. For example, if you're looking for a mentor in reservoir and drilling or subsurface or completion, or be the environmental engineer in my case, those field workshops, there are a lot of different sustainable development workshops that covered in ATCE. I will strongly encourage them to attend. And also discovering job opportunities, which is one of the big plus in ATCE. There are a lot of companies doing on-site interview, recruiters trying to look for talent. It's a great investment that SP is trying to make sure, giving students the pathway to sustainable future of the oil and gas industry. I would say feeling more connected to the industry, ATCE brings together thousands of professionals, as we know, making it an ideal place to build relationships and gain a deeper understanding of industry challenges and innovations.